Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome guys. So how are you doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be showing you a remedy that would help you gain weight. Like, I know there are some ladies who actually want to gain weight, just like there are other people who do want to lose weight. So for this video is actually for those people who want to gain weight and you're going to gain a healthy weight, because the ingredients that I'm going to be showing you is going to help you gain a healthy weight and you are going to be looking super beautiful. Okay guys, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe here, and let's go. If you want to get an healthy fat, try this natural remedy for unhealthy fat. Now this is granite. Now the reason why you should use fresh granite is because it's going to help so much activate this drink and give you that natural fat at the right places. Don't mind me, I'm actually picking it and eating it. Yeah, okay, so what we're going to do first of all is that we're going to grab a blender. Now before you blend this, you would have to at least wash it, yeah, because there are some dust. Like my granite, I bought it in a local market where there's obviously so many people walking past. Okay, so there should be, or there might be, some percentage of dust, so we'll clean it up. And then we'll add a little water. Now what we'll do is to blend this all out. And then we blend. You might want to strain it, but we're not going to be straining it because we need all of this goodness, yeah. And this is it. Okay, this is not all, but let me have a take of this first. So nice and yummy. So this is what we're going to need. We're going to be needing milk. So you're going to be needing your full cream milk, yeah, because you need to get fat. So you're going to be needing your full cream milk. Put enough milk into this. And then we're gonna be needing some bananas, yeah. So banana helps so much in the aspect of gaining weight. Banana helps so much, okay, to deposit that fat just at the right places, and it helps to fill your stomach. So I'm actually going to be blending just one banana. And here I have another ingredients, and this is oatmeal. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting it into the banana, because we're going to be blending it. So we're going to be putting in a little water. And then we're going to blend it. If you're aiming to gain weight, healthy weight, yeah, try this drink. try this. Now what I'll do is that I'll love to blend everything together so that the granules, the oat, all of this goodness, I would love to blend it together. Now why I want to blend it together, so that it could give me that creamy texture. Okay guys, so this is it. This is it. Now I'll be turning it into the cup. Okay, so you can actually decide to use a spoon to just scoop this out, and you zoom it, you consume it. This is actually a very healthy drink, but you can actually take it like food. Look at how it is. You can even decide to drink it, but it is actually very thick. Yeah, can you see that? It's actually very thick. Okay, and you're gonna gain weight when you drink this every morning. Yeah, make sure to drink it every morning if you're aiming to gain weight at the right places. Okay, drink this every morning, and for me, I am loving this. Yeah, I am loving this. This is actually superb. So every morning, wow, I just can't wait. I had to take mine. It's so delicious. It tastes really great, and it is yummy. Like, the smell alone is so yummy. And take this. It's simple, very simple to make. It's actually going to be a short video and very detailed. Okay, so every morning, and you're good to go. Your backside, your front side is gonna be responsive. Like, it's gonna be answering to any call. Okay guys, so try this and you're gonna come back to testify. So that's it guys. This is actually very delicious. Like, it is so delicious. I love it. Okay, and it's so healthy also, and I'm sure you're gonna be loving it. Yeah, so go give this a go, give this a try, and you're gonna be loving it. Yeah, and it's also going to help to make your skin look really healthy also, and it's gonna make whatever you apply on your skin is going to work. So that's just the good part of this. Yeah, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I would see you again. Bye guys.